What's up, you guys? Stealthy RS here once again with another video just for you. I hope each and every one of you is having a great and amazing day, because I know I am. Just today, I actually dropped off the RS to, I guess you could say, my local speed shop, and we did a little bit of a modification. We did a modification that I've been wanting to do for some time now. As you see, the RS isn't in the garage right now because I'm pulling in another car to do another project. I'm actually wiring in a stereo with one of my friends on a black 5.0 Mustang that you've probably seen on the channel a few times already. So that should be pretty easy. Once we're done with that, we're going to go ahead and do some data logging. Did I just give it up? So that means that I changed the part that I had to change the tune for. So what could I have done that I haven't done already? Well, I haven't done a downpipe yet, and I'm not planning to until I go big turbo. The only other thing that I haven't done is the wastegate actuator, and it is finally done. So I purchased the Tune Plus version from Turbo Smart. Adam has his own created, and you guys can probably hear that 5.0 approaching my garage already. This car is a monster. And of course, the car is nice to listen to as well. So now that the wastegate actuator is all complete, as I mentioned, I purchased the Turbo Smart wastegate actuator. Adam has a special wastegate actuator created by Turbo Smart just for his tunes, and I should be pretty happy once this tune is done. And as mentioned, as soon as we're done with this 5.0, we're going to go ahead and take the car out and do a little bit of data logging. And this is how it goes when you don't have the proper tools. We use a chisel. Alright, so you guys get the point, so I'm going to go ahead and help him finish up wiring this. Then we'll cut to the chase and take the RS out, do a couple of runs, get some good data logging going on, send it over to Adam. And as soon as he gets back to me, I'll let you guys know how everything's going. Hopefully everything's going great. And just so you guys know, there is an exciting video coming up in the next couple of days. I've discovered a new drive mode with the RS, and you guys will want to stay tuned and see what that drive mode might be. So it looks like it's been a success. It's just time to mount everything down. I would say it's working right.
List of my problems. Got that one on my line that won't stop fucking calling. It's crazy I made her that way. Every time I see her out, I see the hate in her face. Why you do that?
Turn up the bass.
Tell her you love her, but next week you just want your space. Why you do that? Tell her you want her, but next week you do your own thing.
It's not even halfway.
Alright guys, so time to button everything back together. Then we're done with this Mustang. Then we're off with the RS. So we're walking over to the RS right now. I gotta tell you, this tune that's on the RS now is a little different. You'll see when we get over to the spot. So you guys know the drill already. You start your data logging, you wait approximately 10 seconds. We want to be at between 2,500 and 3,000 RPMs and pretty much floor it until a red line. one more pull just for the data log, make sure everything was good, and let's go. So what did you guys think of that? So now that we're all done with the data logging, we're going to go ahead and send that log to Adam, and hopefully he gets back to me within the next couple of days. And as soon as he does, I'll be the first to let you guys know how it went. Hopefully there's no more boost issues once I'm done with this. Hopefully the core is running exactly how I would hope it would. Alright you guys, so that completes yet again another video. Hopefully you've enjoyed it. If you have, of course, smash that thumbs up button. Drop a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you thought of the whole data logging procedure that I'm having to do over and over again. And once again, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed already, please consider doing so. Until next time, I'm checking out.